I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
So what's up guys, magandang umaga, magandang araw sa inyo mga idols. So bali ngayon ay maganda ang panahon, and yes, try ulit natin magpalipad. So set up ko lang yung drone. So yan. So yan.
Back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Yan, nakalagay na yung ating mobile phone, and connect na natin ito. Yan. So next natin gagawin ay switch on na natin yung ating controller. Yan, switch on na yung controller, at nakita niya naman nag-charge na siya. So natin ay okay. So connect na natin yung DJI Pi app. So ayan na siya. And next natin na gagawin guys ay switch natin yung ating drone. So one arm press and long press, 1, 2. Kita nyo naman gumalaw yung mga nakita nyo gumalaw. So at umilaw. So yan yung normal. And next natin na gagawin ay open na natin itong app. Yan. So yan guys, no. So gagawin natin dyan ay calibrate muna natin yung ating IMU calibration muna tayo. So punta tayo dito sa ating app, IMU calibration, and calibrate, and hit natin yung start. So gagayan lang natin kung ano ang position na tinuturo dito, tsaka ito. So nakikita nyo naman yan, and gayahin natin. Next position ay ito. Yan. Ayan siya. And pati haya. Ayan, ganyan ang position dapat. And next natin na position, yan. And patayo naman daw. So importante guys na lagi natin kinaka-calibrate yung ating drone bago tayo magpalipad. So yan. And nag-restart siya, no? So, ibig sabihin nun tapos na ang calibration. So calibration successful. So makikita nyo guys, wala pa tayong remote control, and switching on pa yung ating aircraft. So yan, naka-connect na siya. So bali gagawin natin ngayon ay natin siya ibubuka na natin, no? Yung kanyang so kailangan careful tayo sa galaw-galaw dito. Siyempre, ingatan natin. Mahirap na. So, ayan. Ang next natin gagawin dyan ay, siyempre, pupunta tayo dun sa lugar kung saan tayo magpapalipad and saka tayo magka-calibrate ng kanyang yan. So yan. So yan. So yan. So hindi pa siya ready, no? Wala pa tayong GPS. So lalabas tayo para magkaroon tayo ng GPS. So samahan niyo ako, guys. So bali punta ulit tayo dito sa calibration. Calibrate natin yung compass. So yung compass calibrate natin. Yan. Then start. So bali yan, horizontally daw, iikot tayo horizontally 360. Yan. Tapos ito naman daw pag ganito, i-rotate din natin 360, no? Yan. Yan. Sasabihin naman dito, calibration successful. So yan. So pag okay na yan, pwede na tayo magpalipad. So
now fly.
next, okay na yung ating settings.
Fly.
Fly na tayo.
Fly. Fly. Fly.
Yan.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So yan. So iangat pa natin. Yan. And move forward natin. Move forward natin ng konti.
Nakwabot,
Yan
Papa.
natin.
Nakwabot. Nakwabot.
So yan, record na siya. So move natin dito. So ayan yung ating ginagawa, joystick, no? So move natin left and move natin back para malaman natin kung gumagana yung ating mga controls, no? So move up, down, turn left and turn right.
Hey!
Yan. So nakita natin na gumagana yung ating drone. So try natin mag-landing, no? Maglaland tayo.
Yeah!
Land.
Landing.
Landing.
Yeah!
Landing. Laland natin siya manually.
Pwede bang yan?
Landing.
So nagland siya. Yan. Angat ulit natin siya, no?
Ako.
Ulit mo na po, boy. Take off.
Teka.
Take off.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yan.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Gave pace on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.